Hey Forever Link, you're on Amazon, and I was reviewing your Amazon strategy, and I wanted to congratulate you on selling on Amazon. With the 4.4 star rating, you've already done a lot of work to get here, and we know Amazon can be challenging to navigate. So, my name is Eunice from my Amazon Guy, and my job is to find growth opportunities for brands on Amazon. And during my research, I found a few things that you'd find interesting. Now, here is the tool that we use to analyze keywords. And looking at your current keyword distribution, you have fewer PPC means. This suggests you have organic indexing, but maybe there are opportunities to expand your coverage. Your competition may be capturing traffic on keywords you're ranking organically but not advertising. And we aim for a 1 is to 2 SEO to PPC ratio, and we call that the golden keyword ratio. And looking at your organic keyword, this could significantly improve too. Here is your word cloud, and these are the relevant keywords important to your listing. There are many more keywords that you could rank for, and more organic keywords could help customer find your products without paying for ads. And looking at the highest search volume keyword, as I can see, you're not ranking sponsored or organically for heels or silver heels, but you're ranking organically for pink heels, silver heels for women, rhinestone sandals, and you are missing a lot of opportunity here because more customer could not find you when they are searching for those highly searched categories. But let's take a look at this one keyword, silver heels. All right, as you can see, there are a lot of advertisement and seeing your competition advertising for this keyword, and I'm not seeing your product means that ranking organically alone isn't enough because ads would take up much of space of the page. And here is the current size of this market. So just for one keyword, silver heels for women, there's a total monthly revenue of $17.8 million, and there's a lot of market share still available for you. And we could help brands like you grow market share through SEO, higher click through rates, and better conversion rate. Now, let's take a look at your competition and Kiss. So looking at your competition, Ankiss, they are number one bestseller with total unit sales of 35,877 for the last 30 days. And they are trending organically and they're trending on PPC, total of 25 million Amazon search volume. And you could actually bridge that gap. We could actually help you run a keyword gap analysis to your listing. So this means we will find high volume keywords your competition is ranking for, and we will add that to your listing. We usually compare at least 10 competitors and will focus on the keywords that consistently rank well. So now let's take a look on your strike zone. So your strike zone are the top 20 to 50 organic keywords that you are ranking. This is not helping or performing you much for now, but we would like to move that to the top 10. And we could significantly increase your visibility and sales. So if you will schedule a call with us, I can send you this keyword report and we will focus on strike zone keywords during phase 3 of our SEO process. So now there are a lot of places you could add all of these keywords to rank organically. So you could add that to the back end of your search term. You could update your title up to 200 characters filled with SEO. You could add that to your bullets, so more bullets filled with SEO up to 500 characters and your A plus content. You could embed that right keywords in this area and it could help improve your visibility. And I noticed that you have some images onto your listing with an infographic, but why not add a video of someone using your product? We could help you A/B test images and find what drives the most sale. And also looking at your listing, you don't have an A plus content and a brand story, and that's another module for your customer to check on your listing and instead of clicking on a competition. So I will give you an example of an A plus content. So here is Age of Sage. This is actually a product with an A plus content that showcase their products and what their products is all about. and they have this product grid that could increase average order value because it would help customers discover other products within your listing. And also their A plus content, there is a brand story there, that story about the brand and their products. It would actually take significant space instead of customer clicking on a competition, and your A plus content could drive more traffic for you. It could add around 500 words of content, and we could add alt text behind each of the images, and that would be 100 characters of keyword, and we could include Spanish or misspellings, and you'll have a great looking A plus content without while driving SEO. And here at my Amazon guy, we are a full service Amazon marketing agency, and we manage over 400 brands and more than 7 million in monthly ad spend, helping generate over 1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. So our team handles PPC, SEO, catalog issues, and creative services and brand protection. So whether you're trying to increase your rankings or lower your ad costs or grow sales, we use proven strategies to help brands succeed. So if you find this video helpful, click on the link below and schedule a call with an Amazon expert and learn how we can help your brand grow sales on Amazon.